Alright, so just driving home with the steering I had changed. She feels a lot more solid in the corners. I think what was happening was getting like a dynamic change of tracking as she went into the corner because the steering idler was absolutely pooched. So yeah, she feels a lot more solid, a lot more planted. So we'll have to go get her tracked up now. We've got a new steering idler on, and yeah, going alright. Alright, we just finished work. I've just got some more scrap pallets so we can build some stuff down the field, and I also want to make another little bed in the back of my truck, so do that. Not bed, but an actual sleeping bed. I made one a while back and it was just plywood, and then I made the metal frame and I had a couple of boards across, and I slung it because it was getting old and like dirty and horrible. But I've just got some more planks so I can lay a few out and keep stuff underneath and stuff on top. It gives you a kind of racking system for the back, and it also means I can kip in the back at range of bash if need be, if the weather's rubbish. But hopefully not. I mean, fingers crossed. We'll see how it goes. If the weather's bad, we can always just go on a convoy down to 5 ways or something. Just found me packed lunch I forgot to take into work this morning. Been sitting and cooking on my dashboard all day. So now I've got a nice warm wedges on my cob. Just doing some CAD work just for Charlie's refract. Nice simple bracket. Do a few of these to hold his lights on. So it's a 8mm hole there for light bar or whatever. And then it's just easier to get them laser cut. You know, I've done it in the bars with a grinder, but you know, whilst I'm doing all this, it don't take 5 minutes to do it. Alright, it's 4:30. Let's get moving. Got a lot to do today. Charlie's truck, bending a bumper, tacking a bumper together, spraying Charlie's truck, all sorts. But right now I've got to get some fuel, bit of breakfast, get some cash out, and yeah, I'm going to be fucked tonight, I can tell you that now. So obviously Thursday today, off work, tomorrow I'm off work, and then bank holiday Monday, so a long weekend on the trucks basically. You know, that still throws me each morning. If I've been working on the tractor in the night, I'll come off the drive and I'll go to put it in second rather than first, because that's where first is on the Massey, and that still fucking confuses me. And I'll try and reverse up, but I'll be in first instead of, you know, over here every time. So, bloody foggy this morning. Look at that. Start again. Me and Charlie are going to Roost Lip today to pick up some wings. I'm not too sure what it's going to be like when we get there, because they sounded like idiots on the phone, a bit frankly. Just getting into Charlie's for sunrise. It's not too bad. See if he's awake. Right then. Another machine's kicked the bucket. The guy feel press brake is broken, so basically the whole hydraulic tank, valve block, everything is mounted behind the machine, and the levers control it basically come through and push the spool valves. The mounts are broken, the tank's dropped on the cock, and now the spool valves aren't in the right place for the lever, so the bed won't return. So it's not a hydraulic thing, it's just literally a physical, the hydraulic system's dropped and the levers ain't engaging properly. So what we've got to do, take the tank out basically, or to the side, take all these AV mounts off of them. I found some replacements that are a little bit higher, just ordered them now, and they'll be coming Monday. So I'm going to get it all ready for Monday so I can put the new mounts on, drop the tank back over, and be sorted. Another day done. I got in this morning, Monday, and surprise surprise, machine's sitting there broken waiting for me. So fixed another mill this morning, nice quick job, and no joke, about an hour later went to go finish the job on my Star, put another job up. I went over to my computer to get the programs off it, and it's off, don't know why, won't turn on. 3 hours later with the supervisor, oh yep, computer's broken. So yeah, stuff breaking all over the place at the moment really. So hopefully nothing on Black Thunder, touch wood. But yeah, everything at work seems to be going tits up big time. So I'm just going to go home now. I just stayed tonight and done a special pinion nut for a friend of mine for his tractor. And we're going to go home now and do a bit of an oil change on Black Thunder. So I might whip the camera out for that as well, do a little quick oil change video. I know it's fucking piss easy, but it's there, isn't it? I'm doing it. So yeah, we're going to do oil change on Black Thunder. I got a filter sitting at home, and I've just been and got 10 litres of oil yesterday. Progress, man. Hillbilly Deluxe is sitting on the chassis. I did actually try to upload last week's video on YouTube this morning, but it wouldn't have none of it. I left it going last night, ready for this morning, and it got stuck at 40 odd %. So try and get that up tonight as well. Jesus, talk about fuck up central. So I got in this morning, mill waiting there for me to fix it. Proximity switch on the X-axis had gone. So anyway, done that. The parts finally arrived for the gear fill, so I started putting the hydraulic tank back in that. And yeah, not long after, compressor shuts down. It's too hot for it, it's overheated. So literally one thing after another. And I just spoke to Bunny, and he said that his horizontal, the tool change is not quite right on it. So yeah, fun. Oh, and the guillotine's leaking air from the back pistons, so got that to do as well. It's crazy, man. It's getting bad.